What the fuck? I said fag. Not fag. Fag. Alright, everybody's on. Let's go! Ah! This is now the last stop. Please watch your step. Please exit the bus. This is the last stop. I repeat, please exit the bus. If you're asleep, I'm going to go back there and steal all your possessions and then kick you out of the bus on the curb. You better not be asleep back there. I gotta clean up the bus afterwards, so if you peed back there, if you dumped your drink back there, I'm gonna scan the DNA and I will find you. And I will kill you. Bye-bye. Thank you for riding the Watts butts. Oh, you wanna get hit again, huh? Ah! I wanna go this way. I have the right of way. I'm a bus driver. Excuse me. Damn it! There's not enough space. Oh God, we're gonna flip! No, we're fine. I'm doing a wheelie! Woo! Oh fuck. Help! なんかあれだよね。タピオカとポーズというとあのポーズがあるよね。なんか
なんかある？うん。
なんか人気だったあれ。なんかおっぱいの上にタピオカ。
そんなのがある？
そんな乗る人ってそんないるの？
いやでもメルちゃんできるんじゃない？
ロケットバズーカプラじゃなきゃ無理よ。
なんか
なんか
いやそうなんか
いいな。
飲めるよこうしたら。
確かに。
いなちゃんすごいな、天才。
飲めるけど普通に飲んだ方が早い。
あの飲み物買おうか。タピオカ嫌いだわ。
いや他の。
We can have it.
Oh, thank you.
Damn it! I have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8,
6,
7, 3, 4,
9,
12,
12,
6, 7, 9, 8, 21, 24, 33, 5, 6.
Okay.
俺も昔のよしみで情けをかけてきたが、東京近江連合は違う。お前にその器があるのか？
はい、そのつもりです。
だったら24時間以内にこいつの玉を取ってこい。
玉を取る。
もしもしくじ。
In Japanese, he said. あ、そういう意味じゃない。下の玉じゃない。玉イコール命？いやまあそれさいろんな意味あるね。男性にとっては玉イコール命。もうそりゃそうだな。ラタタTFP employee, you better get out of here. Get out of here. You're gonna die. Okay, good. You look tasty like experience points, don't you think? Yeah? Alright. It'll be a swift death. Goodbye. You shall be remembered. Wow, it's fixed. I guess it's kind of nighttime, so I might as well wait a little bit until
Wait. What? I just killed you. What? Nani? Maybe when I was putting infinity on my bow, maybe I was around 30. Okay, no Gura today. No shark to hunt today. I was scared every time I gotta check behind me. Shark check.
いや、アイリスちゃんさ、めちゃくちゃ日本語上手くてさ、そしたらさ、ミコがさ、EN 日本語うまいランキング3位から4位に、落ちたねって言われててさ、なんか悲しまれててさ、はいってなりましたよ、ミコは。転落したねって。
デビューおめでとうございます。素晴らしい歌声でした。日本語が上手でびっくりしました。ちなみにコメントするときは漢字やカタカナを読めますか？基本的には、漢字は簡単なのは読めます。日本語ってどのぐらい話せるんですか？日常会話レベルです。専門用語はとか言われたらもうポカーンってなります。
許せねえよな、勝手に転落させてるんじゃないよって。でも4位はすごいよじゃないよ。もともとね、日本語使ってるんだわ。
Hey, don't skip class. It's important. Learning is fun. Now you guys can see my true level. 甘いすみません。スウェーデン。
ワルシャワ？
ワルシャワはイギリス人です。イギリスイギリス人です。Be thankful, okay, that they're making you learn. When you get older, when you're not in school anymore, you're gonna be like, dang, I wish I was learning stuff because learning stuff is cool. Right, you guys? Learning stuff is cool. Wanna get hit again, huh? Ah!
Another one?
Another one.
Oh gosh.
Sweet.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I will protect your honor.
Thank you.
Can't. I'm dying. I'm dead. There's no way I'm living. Help! Anyway, I guess that's just life, huh? What matters is that it was fun. I had a good time. Even if at the end it was fruitless.
Wait, what is it? Amelia Boson. I have to go back for it.
Amelia?
Watching haters wonder why can't be no goddamn gamer. Half-time Vicky, all she wanna do is bang her.
What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, I forgot. Oh yeah, we can set up that tripwire thing. What was that? Ooh! Infinity! That sounds pretty good! I should give it to Gura. I'll give it to Gura. Do you think Gura would lose it if I gave it to her? Yes! She'll lose it. Gura can be trusted. She's responsible. Responsible shark. Ah! Now we put the sign. Okay, then we'll put this here. Okay, and 4. Good. Wait, what?
Amelia, more like Amelia Boson. Dude, I guess I can take Amelia with me on my adventures. How do I take this? Wait. No! Is that infinity? Like infinity arrow infinity? This is the worst mistake of her life. You're done for, Watson. You're done for. Absolutely done for. Ame! Ame, Theo! Yahoo! Pow! Pow, pow, pow! Chicka, chicka, pow, pow, pow! Wow, look at that! Why would I do that when you were just so nice? You gave me so sad. I promise I'll be nice. I won't. I promise. Okay, she's gone now. I think we're good. Ina! I'm sorry! You see me? 359 minus 143.
I will follow you to hell, Gura.
We gotta go get the stuff. We gotta go get the stuff.
As long as we can do it within
How much
5
time
minutes.
we got? 5 minutes? We can do it.
Yeah.
Easy.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's
Thank
go.
you. We don't have any torches.
That's okay.
All right.
Minus 4. Watch out. We're good. We got this. We'll be there in 30 seconds. It's all gone? It despawned that quickly?
Oh.
No, it has to be wrong. It has to be wrong. Oh, that is so unfortunate. Yeah, it'll despawn.
No.
Ah!
Half-tied Vicky, all she wanna do is bang, girl.
This. Callie sent me a message. She said, Gouda, I gave you a present. It's in here. It's in here. Which chest did she say it was in?
I'm really regretful about not naming this Amelia Bosun too, and giving it to Gura. You still can. You can still rename weapons to the anvil. Is that a fact? Really? It's not too late. So I think we can go on our trip after. Oh my gosh! After I name this bow, Taco Bell. Oisho. No. Perfect. That's it. Yay! Actually, you know what? I just want to go put it into Gura's house. Where is Gura's house? I don't know where it is. Let's go find it. It's behind my house. Under the water. She has 2 houses. Oh, I see. Her house is in the river next to my house. Let's go search then. Alright. Let's see. I wonder which one I should put it in. Maybe this one's a good one. Let's see. Nah, this is good, because it's like right next to the door. Alright. There. And I'll tell her to check it later. Yay! We did it! I feel much better now, because I felt really bad before when Gouda came with me and lost the bow. I felt really bad. So I'm glad that I could get it back.
So let's go find out. I think it's in one of these. My old house, my my cave house. All right, let's go get it. First, we're gonna go get the present that Callie gave me. I don't have anything. Oh, cool. Is it in this chest? Amelia Bosun make 2. Callie made a weapon in Minecraft? Damn. Thank you, Callie. Huh. Callie best dad? Callie best Callie. That's what it is. Callie best Callie. Oh, so pretty. I knew you were gonna do it! I knew it! I knew it! Ah!